right? All right. So this is the second head of this headphone, right? Okay. All right. Let me double it. Okay. This is the basic structure. I've drawn a circle, then second head of the circle, and this stand kind of thing. And alright, so the basic structure is complete. I'm drawing it as I'm seeing this sketch. This is the wire of this headphone that connects my headphone with my laptop or phone, whichever I'm using. Now let's detail it a little. Okay. Yeah, some sort of detailing. All right. Okay, I'm doing the detailing thing. And whenever we detail, as we progress with the detailing, our structure or whatever drawing we are making, it starts to appear more realistic. Alright. This will also continue to look more detailed as I progress with the detailing thing. I like doing the detailing thing because it makes our stuff more realistic. Starting this video in a time-lapse mode so that the detailing part can be seen faster. So guys, finally the sketch is ready of headphone that I have drawn, and I hope you guys like it. There are a bit of things that are here and there, but I did not try to change them much. And I have given it a brand name also, which is Boat, which is an Indian brand. Let me draw an arrow so that you guys can see where I have drawn it. You can see here you can see Boat. It's in upside down manner, right? So yes, it's a Boat brand's headphone. That's all guys. I hope you guys like it and you guys learn something from it. The reference picture is here in the description of this video, and this is not a picture basically that is available on internet. So what I can do is basically that what can I do? Okay, yeah, what I can do is I am adding this particular picture in this video itself, so you can take a screenshot and you can then draw from it if you want to do so. I hope you guys like it and learn something from it. See you next time very soon in the next video. Till then, keep sharing and keep showering your love. Like the video, share it with your friends and with anybody whom you want to share it with, and subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel and if you like my videos. See you in the next video.